All right, what is going on, guys? So I'm here replacing the wheel hub studs to a 2014 Civic, and I'm doing this because a lot of you guys said that I would have to cut this dust shield off, but for this R18 model, if you look closely, Honda was smart enough to design that loop right here. So all you have to do is insert it through the back, and it goes in flush. Now, to get it back on there, it's kind of a different story. I don't have a air hammer, which would work perfect for this, but what I'm doing is basically sticking a box end wrench right there, and then getting an old. Basically, you're gonna ruin these nuts, so make sure you got extras. So then you're screwing it on there. So you're screwing it on there like that, right? And then you take. So mainly my thing is that I'm showing you guys is because of this, because a lot of you guys on YouTube were cutting these. So basically pretend like this was like that, but Honda was smart enough to leave a gap for you to stick it in all the way through. So you don't have to cut the bolt like I know I saw some of you guys doing. It's just straightforward. Now it's all flush. Now the hard part is getting it in. If you don't have an air hammer, this is what I suggest you doing. So you basically, put this bar in there for torque, have someone step on it on here, and then just use the one that comes with your cat in the trunk, and then just basically start tightening it until the back of the bolt sits flush. So this one I already did actually. I'm only replacing these two because I ruined that one a long time ago, and then the tire shop ruined that one. So these other ones are the same. I think this is the part number if you guys really care. I got these at O'Reilly's. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down. And basically, when somebody's standing there, then you just start tightening it like this. And it's gonna move, but then just keep applying pressure, and eventually it'll get there. So like I said, I've already installed the other one. And as you can tell, it's already moving little by little, but it goes. And like I said, you're gonna ruin this lug nut, so make sure you have extra. Here, you want to relocate this? Okay, go right there. And see, it's already kind of going in there. So I wanted to show you guys another thing. If you remove this, right? So then let's pretend you do have an air hammer, or you do have enough space. What you would do is basically stick a screwdriver like this and then hammer it. But because there's not enough space from there to give it some good hits with the hammer, it's not really working for me. So unless maybe you're like, you have a lift or something, but if you're on the ground like this, like us right now working, this is gonna be your best method. So let's continue with what we're doing. Let me grab this other bar for torque. If you have two cheater bars like this, just go ahead and insert it on there. And then same thing, have someone else step on the other one, and then just pull it. And it makes it way easier on you. Obviously, you're gonna have to keep readjusting this. But I mean, look at the back. Oh yeah, with this bar, it definitely gives you more leverage, so it's not as bad. But like I said, make sure you have extra lug nuts. Like for the other one that I just replaced, this is already another one because I basically destroyed the other one. The threads on it got stripped, but on the nut, not on the stud, so that's a good thing. So we're almost there. We only got a little bit longer. A couple more turns to go and we should be good. But like I said, if you had an air hammer, this would be good. We're almost sitting flush. Maybe two more good, maybe shine the light back there. Look at how we only got a little bit to go. I saw somebody else using this method, but they said it was hard. And then I saw Eric, the car guy, using his air hammer. He said that this doesn't work for him, but clearly it does. It just takes a lot more time and more effort. But you know, I don't have expensive tools, and I know a lot of you guys don't either. I know you guys are Mickey Mouse in your own things, but hey, welcome to the car world. And then again, this year of the car is a 2014, so I'm assuming all of them from like 2012 to 2014 should have the same gap here. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link the other video, so I'm gonna show you guys what other people were doing to cut the dust shield out of the way, basically. Okay, I think we're just about finished here. And again, sorry for the movement of the camera, but it's me and my girlfriend. She's stepping on this bar, and I'm over here trying to torque and record, and she's got the flashlight, so bear with us here. Okay, let's see how far. Okay, you can tell that it still needs to go a little bit. Can't really, just a little bit, not too much, but that's basically it. We're gonna finish up here. And again, to do this, you do have to remove the brake caliper. It's off here to the side. Remove the caliper bracket, and of course the brake disc. And then once you have this wheel stud back on, then you pretty much reverse, install the bracket, install the caliper, install the brake disc, and that's it. Install your wheel and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps you guys out. But yeah, go down to the description. I'll link these other videos that I told you guys about. But thanks.